Hello, my name is Buddy Pennington. I'm from a small community in Fleming County, Kentucky. My decision to go to MCTC was not a difficult one. I chose this school during my senior year of high school when we were choosing our future career paths. I had an idea of my career path and decided that MCTC would be the best option to have a more personalized and hands-on education in my subject area. My time here at MCTC has been nothing short of a great experience. A specific instructor that has made my time here full of knowledge and memorable moments is Brandon Perkins. From the very first day of classes with Brandon, he has assisted me in learning everything I need to know to start my career as an industrial electrician. He has always been there to guide me with my class choices and provide me with input to be the best that I can be in this career field. In the latter part of my time here at MCTC, he has given me options for jobs in the field. The COVID pandemic has caused a major change in the life of a college student. I was only in my first year when the pandemic started. I have had experience with being a traditional college student and being a college student during the COVID pandemic. Throughout my time at MCTC, my general education class options have mostly been online. For me, the general education classes were not much of a change. My electrical classes have always been on campus, and the only difference with these classes were during my second semester when the pandemic started. The campus shut down for the latter part of the second semester, and everything transited to online. Even though I was unable to attend the remaining part of my lab classes that semester, my learning continued remotely. MCTC did a wonderful job in getting classes back to normal beginning my third semester at school. I would advise future students of MCTC to reach out to their instructor. I have found that my instructors during my time here at the school have been very helpful with any questions that I have had for them. Although my general education classes were mostly online, I found that the instructors have always answered my questions and given critiques within a timely manner. Communication is very important in becoming successful with your education and in life in general. My time here has provided me with what I need to follow my career path. I will be looking for a job in robotics or programming. I have learned the basics that I need to allow me to search for this type of job. Once I find a job in either of these fields, I plan on furthering my education to increase my job opportunities and allow me to increase my income in this field. I would like to thank my instructors for allowing me to have an extraordinary experience during my time here at MCTC. They have all been wonderful, and I would especially like to thank Brandon Perkins for teaching me everything I need to know to follow my career path. I also want to thank my family for being supportive throughout my time in college. They have stood behind me 100% and helped guide me through the last 2 years.